NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier 32GB review. AI Powerhouse or Overkill for devs? Struggling with sluggish AI boards or underpowered embedded systems can feel like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops. Your prototypes lag, simulations freeze, and development timelines slip away. Endless debugging and memory bottlenecks turn your creativity into frustration. If you're serious about robotics, autonomous machines, or advanced AI, your toolkit shouldn't be holding you back. Deadlines tighten, experiments stall, and complex neural networks choke on limited hardware. Stress spikes as opportunities pass by and innovation slows. Multi-camera setups, high-resolution vision processing, or real-time inference can quickly overwhelm conventional platforms, leaving researchers and engineers questioning if edge AI is even possible. The wrong hardware can transform excitement into burnout. Enter the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier Developer Kit, 32GB, a compact powerhouse engineered to obliterate bottlenecks. With a 512-core voltage GPU, 64 tensor cores, 8-core Carmel CPU, and dual NVDLAs, it delivers up to 32 TOPS of AI performance. Its 32GB 256-bit LPDDR4X memory handles multiple neural networks simultaneously, while 32GB eMMC storage and M.2 NVMe expansion accommodate massive datasets. One developer shared a real-life moment. They deployed real-time object detection for a drone swarm, running 4 models in parallel without a hiccup. The Jetpack SDK ensures seamless integration with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and other AI frameworks. With comprehensive input-output including USB-C, HDMI, DisplayPort, MIPI CSI2, and GPIO, it adapts to robots, drones, smart cameras, or autonomous systems. Despite packing workstation-class performance, it operates efficiently between 10 watts to 30 watts, making it ideal for edge applications. Small in footprint, huge in capability, the AGX Xavier transforms prototypes into production-ready AI marvels. The true power of the Jetson AGX Xavier lies in its ability to bridge concept and reality. Imagine running high-resolution computer vision, autonomous navigation, and real-time sensor fusion, all at the edge, without cloud latency. Experts hail it as the most capable edge AI platform, combining GPU, CPU, and DLAs in one module. Influencers add, staggering performance, perfect for robotics and autonomous systems. Analysts emphasize the Jetpack SDK as a massive time-saver, letting models trained in the cloud deploy instantly. Users report, we run multiple neural networks on a drone fleet, Xavier handles everything flawlessly. Another notes, medical imaging real-time processing with 32GB memory? Absolutely essential. From AI research labs to startups prototyping autonomous machines, developers praise the flexible power modes, expansive input-output, and software ecosystem. Curious why it commands attention? Because it doesn't just process data, it orchestrates multiple AI workflows simultaneously, minimizes latency, and makes even the most complex projects achievable. With rugged design and professional-grade reliability, the AGX Xavier turns high-end AI ambitions into edge-deployable reality. Don't wait, the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier Developer Kit is in high demand among developers, researchers, and AI startups. Missing out could slow your innovation. With workstation-level AI compute in a compact, energy-efficient module, it's the toolkit that turns ambitious prototypes into reality. Limited stock is available, and those who seize it now are already pushing autonomous machines, drones, and robotics further than ever. Secure yours today, join the innovators, and elevate your AI projects to next-level performance.